the sound check. Number 2. Quite right, accordingly so. The biggest difference between British people and the Russian fellows is that Russians are more of the faggots, whereas British people are intelligent, rap-worthy, and loud. A kid's gonna test it. I will tit for tat with anybody who's talking this shit. That shit, Chris Kirkpatrick, you can get your ass kicked. Worse than the little Limp Biscuit bastards. And Moby, you can get stoned by Obi. 36-year-old ball and fat blow me. You don't know me, you're too old. Let's go, it's over. Nobody listen to techno and let's go. Just give me the signal, I'll be there with a whole list full of new insults. The bendo, suspenseful with a pencil ever since Prince turned himself into a symbol. But sometimes the shit just seems everybody only wants to discuss me. Well, this must mean I'm disgusting. But it's just me, I'm just obscene. No, I'm not the first king of controversy. I am the worst thing since Elvis Presley. Do black music so selfishly. Use it to get myself wealthy. Here's a concept that works. 20 million other white rappers emerge. But no matter how many fish in the sea, it'll feel so empty without me now. And thus concludes said sound check. And once again, clearly proves that us British fellows are far superior rappers and human beings to the Russians. Like it was ever close at any time. Then again, Aaron Rodgers did beat Tom Brady. However, that was only a warm-up for the Super Bowl, where the Patriots will be in fact playing the Dallas Cowboys. Now, somebody like Pat Kelly would actually believe such a statement.